Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable notification LED edge lighting in this device. Simply go to settings. Here you can see the option notifications. Tap on this one. Now tap on the option notification pop-up style. Tap on edge lighting style. So here you can see some edge lighting styles. You can see the basic. Now tap on this one. So here you can see how this looks on your device when you get the notification. You can see this is heart. Okay, so this is the basic edge lighting style, and here you can see one more option, color. Tap on this one. So from here we can select the color. Tap on this one. So we can set the color. You can see the light you can see. And we can customize the color also. Okay, so here I am going to set this one. Tap on done. Now the edge light is set in this device. Now let me show you how it works. So now I am going to make a text to this phone number. Now you can see the light. Yeah, you can see. Now I'm going to send a message. You can see when you get a new notification, the edge light you can see. Again, just one. You can see. If you want to change, tap on this one, notification pop-up style. From here you can select any one from here. So here I am going to select this one. Tap on done. Now I am going to make a message to this number. You can see. So simply in this way we can enable the notification edge light in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.